Have you guys heard about these beard brushes, these heated beard brushes? I'm sure you have, but I got this new one, and I think it's the best beard brush, the heated beard brush on the market right now. So stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you all about it. All right, so the big trend right now, it seems, is these heated brushes. And I did a video of my top 5 brushes, heated brushes, and then I got one the other day that is completely different, and it is small and unique, and that's right, I'm talking about the Kushel bar. See, check it out. Check out the awesome package it comes in. There you go. Check that out. Look at that. So it comes in this cool package here. You can open it up like that. There you have it inside there. I have it plugged in and heating up right now because I'm going to show you guys what I think is the best heated beard brush there is right now. So here it is. You can see we got the green light on. You just press that button. There's only one heat setting for this thing. You turn it on and you let it do its thing. And it says that you'll know that it's hot because back here should be warm to touch. And so this is actually pretty warm to touch back here. But you can see you have these shorter brushes, and for comparison, here is a comb. So it's the length of a comb in general. And then you have the shorter brushes, bristles that are heating up here. But I like that in the hand it's nice and small. You got a decent cord here. It heats up quick, and it, like I said, only that one heat setting. So I'm just going to show you guys how I utilize this. And not only is it good for my beard, but let's check out this. So you can see here my hair is kind of long and destroyed. So I'm just going to grab this thing, and I'm looking at the mirror over here, so sorry if I'm not making eye contact. So let's just grab this, and it says to go nice and slow. Let's see if I can kind of show you guys this over here. So I can feel the heat. See this spot sticking up back here? Let's just heat brush that down. So check that out. Look how that works on this longer hair here. Gets it nice and straight. And now I'm just going to turn a little bit so I can do my beard. So I'm just going to start like this. Go down. Kind of go nice and slow. And if you tend to push down in the jawline, like if you were to go down and kind of curl it under the jawline like this, like your hair is going to naturally curl in there, right? So you're going to get that divot right here. So you can actually take your brush and kind of twist it out and get it all to kind of curl back out. You don't want to push under that jawline. So after I kind of use that heat brush here, my sideburns are a little bit in that weird phase right now. So you can see like there's a little flyaway right here. But just look at like how much straighter this is compared to all these flyaways over on this side here. So that's just from that one side. And so what I would do is take a little bit of balm and just kind of go through here like this and get these flyaways to stay down. And maybe they will with, there we go. So see how this side's all like curled, and then this side over here, you're going straight. So that's the crucial bar. I like to use it up on my hair even. I can kind of do whatever I want with it up here and go however direction I want. I can get it back, use it to get it back nice and straight into my man bun if I want. Normally for work and stuff I kind of go back like this here. But I could even go over this way if I wanted to, and this thing is going to help straighten it. My hair is not used to going this way, but if we go nice and slow, like it's recommended to do, you can see how it's laying down more now, right? And I'm going a little fast for this heat brush to actually keep up. And it's right on their website on the video. This is made by Jeff Chastain, and he has a YouTube video on it. I'll see if I can link it below for you guys. But he has a YouTube video on it and how to use it. And I think it looks really awesome for short beards. So like I could see somebody like Mo really benefiting from this, the bearded shark. And we'll get up in here in the mustache a little bit. See the difference? Like, look at this side, and then look at this side. So now if I were to take this over here, go nice and slow down, you see how it does that? But look at that, like, you know, I spent a little bit more time on this side here. But this thing, by far the best heated brush I've tried so far. This thing is awesome. Again, it's small, and I like that because you can easily handhold it and control it. It's going to work good for your longer beards as well. Let me see if I can just... It's going to work good for long beards, thick beards. You just... I can get mine to go and do what I want it to do by going actually pretty fast. And just for fun, you can come out like this if you want. Get the underneath straighter. It's all just personal preference on how you want to do it, and they all take a little bit of experimenting. So in a situation like this, you're kind of just taking it from what reviewers are saying or people that have them. But you can definitely do too much. You see, like I'm starting to get a little bit too much where it's coming down my jawline, and I can fix that with balm. Like I can put some balm in and kind of get this area to come out a little bit more so it's pretty straight down. And sometimes I like that straight down look, like this. Sometimes I like the bushier look. It all just depends on what I'm doing for the day, what product I'm going to wear. But I definitely recommend checking this out. I'll link the website where you can get it below. I'll link his Instagram below. It's worth a checkout, at least. Like, if you've ever thought about a heat brush, I wouldn't necessarily waste your money on something for 30, 40, 50 bucks right off the bat. Like, different heat settings are cool where you can adjust them, but this thing's got one heat setting right where it's supposed to be. It's meant for the beard. It was created for the beard, and it'll say that right on the website. And there's only one place to get this, and it's right from the website. So I didn't get paid or anything like this. I got this crucial bar. I thought it was perfect size and awesome. I've seen a lot of stuff about heat brushes and styling beards, and I just felt compelled that I need to make this video because this brush is now my #1 brush. So I don't know if I should go back and update my brush or not, but this thing is the one that I'm going to be using from now on. And I'll switch between this and the blow dryer. I don't like using a heat brush every day. Again, it just depends on the weather, what I'm doing. So between this and the blow dryer, but I do really like this on my hair. And so if you have any sort of hair, or you have curlier hair, or you just want help styling it, like honestly, I can do my hair with this brush and not even use any I don't even have to use any balms or any hair product at all. I can just do my hair with this brush. And you see, like right here, I have a flyaway. Where is it? Right here. I'm a little bit shorter on my hair, but I can heat that down. So this thing's a winner in my book. And I recommend you guys get it. It comes in this awesome packaging. It's got some of my grease prints on it from opening it up. I think that's about it for you guys today. So have a great weekend. God bless you all. Grab your coffee. Grab your bang. Straighten your man mane. And until I talk to you guys again soon, God bless you all.